Hi guys, this is Logan Phillips. All right, I'm going to show you on this video, this is video 2 of the Simnet trainings, on the master course of Simnet concepts. Once you've logged into Simnet, you're going to have something that looks like this. This is your dashboard. Now, you have a variety of classes here. Now, how I manage my courses is sort of specific. I have a master course, just like I have a master Blackboard course, that gets copied out to all of my Simnet sections and courses. Anything that's a semester old gets archived. Anything that's active but not able to be enrolled is closed for enrollment. And only the courses that are live, active, and open for enrollment are currently on here. Now, right now you can see here I have a couple different courses. I'm working on the Phillips Concepts 2016 version 2 master. Now, this course was built mostly by Jim Maxson at the West Campus. It is a great course. He has done tremendous amounts of work for it. I've given a little bit of input for how I do my class, and we've matched up with our point values and everything. So this is the course that I am going to be sharing out with all of you. As changes come through, I will always share out an updated course. If you are not accessing my master course and you would like to access it, let me know and I'll be more than happy to do it. All right, so on these courses, I'm going to first look at my master course. I'm going to show you what's in here, how it works. So I'm going to manage, I'm going to go to the right hand side, I'm going to go edit assign. And so the very first thing you see is the instructors. Now, I'm not sure if because I'm an administrator you'll be seeing this particular page or not. I think you will. You'll see your students are enrolled in any of your sections. There should never be a student enrolled in a master section. You'll see any exams are assigned. You can see here there's a concepts exam for each chapter, plus an exam for each of the applications, and the 2 TCC final exams of comprehensive assessment and the comprehensive office. So we actually have the 2 exams from the My IT Lab that was created. Simnet and Jim was able to get them recreated here inside Simnet, so we can all be testing on the same test, and we can pull up the results from this test and see how everyone's doing with the assessment. We have lessons. We have the 1 computing essentials lessons. We have sim books. These cover both the concepts and the application. We have sim paths, again, concepts and applications. And we have projects, and they're guided and independent projects. And this is a section that I use for all my master courses. It's called the resources. And you can see Jim's using it as well. The resources section, I put in things like my cheat sheets. I put in a video of an introduction to Simnet, and I'll make it worth 5 points. I put in the degree path, and I make it worth 1 point, so they actually have to look at the degree paths I want them to look at if they want that 1 point. And it's just a matter of they open it, close it, they get the 1 point. Not a big deal. But there's also resources here that we can do. So this... And you can see my resources here on the left-hand side. The Simnet walkthrough, cheat sheets, introduction to Professor P video. So a lot of the resources, or if not all the resources I have on Blackboard, I actually transferred into Simnet, and I can make them worth points if I think students need to see them or not. And so like all of my courses, I will always pretty much do the Blackboard and Simnet walkthrough, and I will add that in to here. And I make it where it's has to be watched, starts on the first date. I'm going to make it worth only 1 point because I just want them to see it, and hit save. And this starts on 22nd, and it's due on the last day at some point. There we go. So you can add your own resources in here, and that includes links to YouTube videos, that includes any videos, any homework, any assignments, anything that you've done that you'd like to do as a particular part in this class, you are free to. So don't forget about that resources tab. That is the basic overview of my master course. Now I'm going to go back here into manage, and I'm going to talk to you about copying this master course into a new Simnet course. Now we've come up with a naming structure, and the naming structure is your name underscore the course, so concepts, underscore the course section or number, so 1203, underscore the section number, like 49 or 241, and then your CERN after that. And so I'm going to create a new course following this naming structure very quickly from this master section. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to come over here, and now I am in the manage of my courses or classes. So I clicked on classes, clicked on manage. I found my concepts 2016 version 2 master, and I'm going to choose to copy it to a class. Now I'm going to name the class following that naming structure. I am Phillips And we're going to call it concepts 1203 241 18 fat fingers here 18152. So my section title, I usually call it the semester we're in and the CERN number, fall 18152 16 week. Just gives a bit more descriptor. I'm going to put it at my campus. That way, if students searching for campus, they can find it. Because this is concepts, I'm not going to have a default module. And I'm going to start working on the dates of this real quick. Now, I know my class starts on the 22nd, so I'm going to go ahead and just kill everything in one goal, and I'm going to start everything on the 22nd. Now, once this course is created, in one of the other videos, I'm going to show you how to add the dates for every individual piece. Now, I'm also going to add a due date and end date, and I'm going to call them the same thing, and that's going to be the last date in the class. And for me, that's always the final Tuesday, of course, and that is going to be the 12th of December. And I'm just going to copy this out to everywhere else. And I'm going to hit next. So I've created a new course, and you can see it has all the same material as that master class. Everything's editable, everything's modifiable. You can still add anything you want into it, but because I've created that master course, I can recreate as many sections as I need very, very quickly and easily without a lot of problems. All right, so that's copying a master course, or that's master course of Simnet copied to a brand new section for the current semester. All right, next video, I'm going to work on making that single sign-on between Blackboard and Simnet. All right, bye guys.